The Black Decker Electric Hedge Trimmer 17-inch BHT150 is a reliable and efficient tool designed to make your landscaping tasks easier and more effective. This power hedge trimmer is equipped with a 17-inch dual-action blade that reduces vibration and provides precise cutting, ensuring neat and professional results. Perfect for trimming small to medium-sized hedges and shrubs, the lightweight design of the BHT150 enhances maneuverability and minimizes user fatigue, even during extended use. Its powerful 3.2-amp motor delivers consistent performance, allowing you to tackle overgrown branches with ease, making it a great choice for homeowners and garden enthusiasts alike. Customer satisfaction is a top priority for Black Decker, and the B150 reflects this commitment through its user-friendly design and performance. Its compact build makes it easy to store, while the built-in cord retention system prevents accidental disconnections, ensuring uninterrupted operation. To achieve the best results, always ensure the blades are clean and sharp, as this will maximize cutting efficiency and prolong the trimmer's lifespan. Using appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and protective eyewear, adds an extra layer of protection during operation. Additionally, consulting the user manual before first use helps familiarize you with the tool's features, ensuring safe and efficient trimming. When choosing power hedge trimmers like the BHT150, consider your specific landscaping needs. This model is ideal for light to moderate trimming tasks, offering excellent value for its price point. Its combination of durability, performance, and ease of use makes it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a well-manicured garden. For those seeking a dependable and budget-friendly tool to keep their hedges looking pristine, the Black Decker BHT150 is an excellent choice. The MZK 20V Max 22.4-inch cordless pole hedge trimmer attachment is a versatile and powerful tool designed for trimming tall hedges and hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. With an impressive 8-foot reach and a 22.4-inch blade, this power hedge trimmer allows you to tackle high and wide hedges without the need for ladders, ensuring both convenience and safety. Its cordless design, powered by a 20V max lithium-ion battery, provides the freedom to work anywhere without being restricted by cords, making it ideal for large outdoor spaces. The multi-angle head feature allows precise cutting at various angles, ensuring a neat and professional finish for every task. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of the MZK design. The lightweight construction and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing strain on your arms and shoulders. The extension pole is easy to attach and adjust, providing flexibility and adaptability for different trimming tasks. Additionally, the inclusion of both the battery and charger ensures that you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. To maximize the performance of this tool, it's recommended to fully charge the battery before use and clean the blades after each session to maintain their sharpness and efficiency. When selecting power hedge trimmers like the MZK cordless pole hedge trimmer, consider the specific needs of your garden. This model is perfect for homeowners who need a reliable and portable solution for maintaining tall hedges and shrubs. Its combination of cordless convenience, extended reach, and multi-angle functionality makes it a standout choice. With proper care and maintenance, this trimmer will help keep your outdoor space looking tidy and well-manicured, making it a valuable addition to your gardening toolkit. The WorkPro cordless grass shear and shrubbery trimmer is a compact and versatile gardening tool designed for precision and ease of use. This 2-in-1 handheld device features a 7.2-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing cordless convenience for trimming grass and shaping shrubs effortlessly. With interchangeable blades, it quickly transitions between grass cutting and shrub trimming, making it a perfect choice for small-scale gardening tasks. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle ensure comfortable operation, even during extended use, while the inclusion of a Type-C charging cable adds modern convenience for recharging the battery. Customer satisfaction is a key priority with the WorkPro cordless trimmer. Its user-friendly design allows gardeners of all skill levels to achieve clean and professional results. The device operates quietly, making it ideal for use in residential areas. To ensure optimal performance, fully charge the battery before use and clean the blades after every session to maintain their sharpness. Additionally, reading the user manual is recommended to familiarize yourself with its features and blade switching process for safe and efficient operation. When considering power hedge trimmers for smaller landscaping tasks, the WorkPro cordless grass, shear, and shrubbery trimmer stands out as a reliable and affordable option. It's ideal for homeowners who want a compact, portable solution for maintaining edges, trimming decorative shrubs, or tidying up their garden. Its blend of functionality, convenience, and ease of use makes it a great investment for keeping your outdoor space looking pristine and well-maintained. The Hedge Trimmer Cordless 2-in-1 Shrub Trimmer Grass Shears by Fuljon is a powerful and versatile gardening tool that combines efficiency and convenience for maintaining your outdoor spaces. Powered by a 21-volt rechargeable battery and featuring 2 interchangeable blades, this power hedge trimmer effortlessly transitions between trimming hedges, shaping bushes, and cutting grass. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement, making it ideal for use in gardens, lawns, and yards of all sizes. The tool is lightweight and ergonomically designed, ensuring comfort during extended use, while the included 2 rechargeable batteries provide longer runtime for uninterrupted work. Customer satisfaction is a priority for the Fuljon store, and this hedge trimmer reflects that commitment with its practical and user-friendly features. The easy-to-swap blades and high-performance motor make this tool suitable for various tasks, delivering precise and clean cuts every time. To maximize the tool's lifespan and performance, it's recommended to fully charge the batteries before use and clean the blades after each session. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and protective eyewear, to ensure safe operation. Additionally, reviewing the instruction manual can help you familiarize yourself with the tool's features and maintenance requirements. When selecting power hedge trimmers, the Fuljon cordless hedge trimmer stands out as an excellent choice for its versatility, power, and convenience. Whether you're shaping hedges or tidying up grass edges, this tool offers reliable performance to keep your garden looking its best. With its dual functionality and robust build, it's a valuable addition to any gardener's toolkit, making yard maintenance a breeze. Alexion Cordless Hedge Trimmer 21-volt powered electric shrub grass trimmer by Alexion is an exceptional 2-in-1 gardening tool designed to make yard maintenance efficient and hassle-free. Combining a grass cutter and hedge shear in one compact device, it provides the versatility needed for shaping bushes, trimming hedges, and cutting grass edges. Powered by a robust 21-volt rechargeable battery system, with 2 included battery packs, this power hedge trimmer ensures extended runtime and consistent performance, making it suitable for both small and large outdoor spaces. Its cordless design allows unrestricted movement, enabling you to tackle hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. The Alexion cordless hedge trimmer emphasizes customer satisfaction by offering a user-friendly experience. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Switching between blades is quick and straightforward, allowing you to handle various tasks seamlessly. For optimal results, fully charge the batteries before use and clean the blades after each session to maintain their sharpness and longevity. The inclusion of 2 rechargeable batteries ensures minimal downtime, while the sturdy build guarantees reliable performance over time. If you're in search of power hedge trimmers that combine versatility and efficiency, the Alexion cordless hedge trimmer is an excellent choice. Perfect for gardening enthusiasts and homeowners alike, this tool helps you maintain a pristine lawn and garden with ease. Its powerful motor, dual functionality, and convenient design make it a valuable addition to your gardening toolkit, ensuring that your outdoor space remains well kept and visually appealing.